7 best foods to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Your kidneys are the keepers of your internal well-being, just as your eyes are the window to the world. In today's video, we discover the top 7 foods that are crucial to detoxing and cleaning your kidneys. So let's explore the world of kidney-friendly treats. Number 1. Apples. First, let's talk about an apple, which is not only fresh and delicious, but also a real kidney savior. These fiber-rich fruits are more than simply a pocket snack. Apple fiber works as a natural detoxifier, toxins in the digestive tract, and reducing the load on the kidneys. Apples are not just good for your taste buds, they're also good for your kidneys. Number 2. Berries. Now let's turn our attention to the vibrant and juicy berries. Choose from blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. These fruits are low in calories, but high in antioxidants and phytonutrients. What does this have to do with your kidneys? These berries, on the other hand, play a crucial part in avoiding kidney cell damage and even in reducing inflammation. Berries are also a kidney's best friend because they are high in vitamins and fiber. Number 3. Watermelon. Next, for a summertime favorite, watermelon. Watermelon is a diuretic which works to flush toxins from your kidneys while also being a thirst treat. Its high water content keeps you hydrated, and the potassium salts help balance urine acidity, which prevents kidney stones. So the next time you enjoy this hydrated treat, remember that your kidneys receive the advantages. Number 4. Cabbage. With the powerful cabbage, let's add some crunch to the mix. This vegetable is a nutritious powerhouse, as well as a salad standout. Cabbage, with its high fiber, folate, vitamin B6, C, and K, delays nutritional absorption, allowing your kidneys the time they need to process. Cabbage's multiple phytonutrients also act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, boosting kidney health. Number 5. Olive oil. It's time to add some liquid to our conversation. Olive oil. We know more about how great olive oil is, but did you realize it's also good for your kidneys? It not only adds taste to your food, but it also reduces inflammation, lowers cholesterol, and can even reduce the pain of kidney stones. Olive oil is more than simply a cooking essential. It's also a kidney-friendly medicine. Number 6. Garlic. Let's use garlic to bring some strong tastes into our kidney-friendly lineup. Garlic, like its allium family members, bring allicin to the table, which is an organic sulfur component that has important anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic is a great helper for your kidneys, from fighting infections to lowering blood pressure, so don't be afraid to add garlic to your dishes. Number 7. Turmeric. Last but not least, we have turmeric, the golden spice. This colorful cousin of ginger not only gives you warm color to your foods, but it also protects your kidneys. Turmeric protects your kidneys from potential damage because of its anti-inflammatory effects. However, because of its potassium level, it should be used with care if you have kidney disease. Think about including black pepper for an extra boost. Thank you for joining us on this journey through kidney-friendly foods. If you liked our suggestions, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health facts, and begin treating your kidneys right away. Keep it up, and we'll see you in the next video.